little pink egg and sperm bundles get released from our outplants, and the ocean looked like an underwater snowstorm. It was beautiful.
We just got out of water over here in Fitzroy Island, so it's approximately around 11:30 here, and after 4 years of patiently waiting, we finally get to see the corals we outplanted spawn. After all the hard work we put in nurturing the coral, we are very, very proud and very glad to see that it's actually contributing to the natural recovery of Fitzroy Island and the Great Barrier Reef. So couldn't be more happier to see that. Well, coral spawning, it's actually a nature's way of recovery, and spawning is a way for us to replenish new corals in the Great Barrier Reef. So in a general scale, coral spawning is a very, very crucial part to the recovery of the Great Barrier Reef. As our corals spawn, it ensures that the reef will be self-sustaining in the long run.